Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanto the Social Engineer. Today is National Unity Day or Ekta Divas, and this is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We are celebrating National Unity Day or Ekta Divas from 2014, that is taken a big decision by Modi government. So this day is celebrated National Unity Day because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is our first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, who integrated politically after independence of India, the princely state that ruled by British government, all the states, more than 565 states, princely states were integrated. And what you are seeing the image of map of India, that is the works of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So for this I have prepared a quiz, and for your information, for your enhancement of knowledge about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, here we discuss about the some important questions on National Unity Day. First question: National Unity Day is celebrated on, that is option number 1, 31st October. Then come to the question number 2. The first Prime Minister of India, Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, was given the responsibility of which of the following minister, that is Home Minister. Question number 3. Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel was also known as Sardar, that is option number A is the right answer, that is light green color shaded. And question number 4. Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel organized pigeons from which of the following places of Gujarat in non-violent civil disobedience against oppressive policies imposed by the British government, that is option number C, Kheda, Borsad and Bordoli, three important places of Gujarat where the operations of peasants, that is policy of Gujarat in non-violent civilian movement against oppressive policy imposed by British government on peasants, that taken into tax by Jawaharlal Patel, Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question: birthday of Vallabhbhai Patel is celebrated by Union Government of India as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. This is celebrating since 2014. And question number 6: Vallabhbhai Patel was a successful barrister, that is option number C. Next question: Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October. And question number 8: Vallabhbhai Patel died on which of the following places, that is he was died in Bombay, now it is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next question: Vallabhbhai Patel was cremated in Sonapur in Bombay, located in Maharashtra. Vallabhbhai Patel was born at Nadiad, Gujarat, that is option number D. Question number 11: who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Question number 12: who is known as Indian Bismarck? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Indian Bismarck. Next question: who gave the title Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? That is given by Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi, given Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. Option number A is the right answer. President of Indian National Congress INC Karachi session is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that is held in 1929. Karachi session, Lahore session 1929, Karachi session 1931. Next question: who play an important role in integrations of princely states? That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who play a very important role in integration of princely states, the state that ruled by British government. More than 565 princely states were integrated by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, technically, so he is known as Bismarck of India. We play a very vital role in unification of all the princely states in India. So that's why we are celebrating Unity Day, birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question: who says that I know only one culture, that is agriculture? That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option number C is the right answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel conferred Bharat Ratna in which year? That is in the year 1991 he was conferred Bharat Ratna. Next question: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Police Academy is situated at Hyderabad. Option number A is the right answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Option number B is the right answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Memorial is in Ahmedabad, that is also in Gujarat. And what was the full name of Sri Vallabhbhai Patel? Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel is the full name of Sri Vallabhbhai Patel. Which of the following statement is not correct about Sri Vallabhbhai Patel? That is, Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel was born in Ahmedabad, and all three options that is correct. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served as the first Deputy Prime Minister, first Home Minister, Information Minister, and Minister of State for Independent India. Sardar Patel's father name was Jawaharlal Patel and mother name was Ladwa Devi, and Sardar Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. So A, C, D is the correct answer, but B is the wrong answer. So come to the question number 23. On 31st October, the birthplace of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is celebrated as National Unity Day. It is in started in 2014, that I already told, and this decision was taken by NDA government, National Democratic Alliance, that is rule in the center since 2014 in India. So this day we are celebrating National Unity Day. Next, 23. Which of the following statement is not correct about the Statue of Unity? Statue of Unity, its height is equal to Statue of Liberty. It is not correct. Another option that is correct: Statue of Unity is located in Narmada district of Gujarat. The Statue of Unity was dedicated to the nation on 31st October 2018, and the height of the statue is about 182 meters, that is 597 feet. And next question: during which moment was Sardar Patel given the title of Sardar? That is on Bardoli moment, given Sardar Patel the title of Sardar by Mahatma Gandhi. Next question: which operation was carried out by Sardar Patel to make Hyderabad state as a part of the Indian Republic? That is Operation Polo. Option number B is the right answer. And when was Sardar Patel first appointed President of Congress? That is 1931 in Karachi session. That is President of Congress, INC. Next, what is the weight of Statue of Unity? That is 25,000 tons. Who designed the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? That is Ram B. Sutar, who designed the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And 27th on the question number 27, on the bank of which river is the Statue of Unity built? That is Narmada River. Who was the instrumental in the cremations of the All India creations of All India service, which he described as the country's steel frame? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. All India services, which mean all the administrative service, Indian administrative service, that is creations of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and which is called as steel frame of Indian democracy. And next question, that is Patel order Somnath temple reconstructed in 1948. That is option number B, 1948 is the right answer. Sardar Patel ordered Somnath temple reconstructed, that is 1948. Patel had long been the rival of Dex for party leadership in Indian National Congress, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Patel had long been the rival of Jawaharlal Nehru for party leadership in Indian National Congress. And so this is some important question that also come in different examination, and it is good to know our Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So I prepare this quiz. Thank you. To get such type of quizzes on different important days, subscribe my channel so that updation will be sent to you. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.